It's RV inspection day, and we are in Ocala, Florida this morning inspecting this Ventura SportTrek ST327VIK. Oh, no, that's not it. They're actually looking for it. We've been here for about 30 minutes, and they're searching for the RV so that we can inspect it. It was supposed to be plugged in for 12 hours for the fridge. So guys, make sure you get them to plug in your unit 12 hours prior to inspection day. We'll let you know what goes on today. Now it's 12:30. We haven't even started to really get to inspect this unit at all because of the first things that we saw and the fact that we had been held up with no propane, no electrical, and waiting for the unit to be found. And so this is why, guys, you need to get an inspection. Our customers are in Ottawa. We are their eyes. We're your eyes too. But it's really important that you may see pictures and wonder, and somebody may not tell you exactly what that picture is. But we are. We're going to tell you.
So you can see we're not there anymore. So it's been about an hour or so. An hour and a half, an hour, 15 minutes, I don't know at this point. I'm getting impatient for people who know me. Really short fuse, you can ask her, she'll tell you. I go to the field. I'm thinking, okay, how hard is it to find a SportTrek when you know there's only a couple on that lot? We've been to that facility before, so I kind of have an idea of the rows of where they are. The trailer, travel trailer, the Class A, the newer one. New ones are impeccable. I mean, why would you need an inspection on a brand new one? I mean, people always tell us.
I mean, this one's a 2023. It's a brand new one.
It's not even
why
new. It's
would
new for
these
next
people
year.
call us up to hire us? All the way from, where are they from?
So people from Canada. Yeah, because you said
They
Ottawa.
Toronto or Ontario?
You said Ottawa, but there's Ottawa, US too. So this one is Ottawa, Rigaud. Ottawa and Ontario, meaning it's smart of them, just like California, just like Alabama, just like all the people. There's no difference. 1,500 miles or 1,600 miles or 2,200 miles from Hawaii. Well, that's
you need an RV inspection,
but not on a new one. Don't worry.
Of
People
course
always
not.
ask us,
No.
"Nah, you don't need that."
Well, is it 2023? Is it really new?
No. It will be new when it finally gets out in a couple of hours. I walk through the field, try to find the guy that I saw with a forklift, that JLB, that JBL, that he's trying to find the unit. It's okay, and he told me that I was told to go pick it up, so we go up there, and he's already there, so I come behind, and I sneak in on the unit, I check the serial number, so yeah, I know it's this one, and I can already see there's two ACs on top, and it was supposed to be two ACs on top, and he's taking the other one. Whatever, long story short, that's why I checked the serial number, because Dave, the purchaser, was telling me, Pierre, there's two ACs on this one. Well, this one had two, this one didn't. So I checked the serial number, and that's the one they asked me to verify. So, okay, well, I'm not going to say nothing. But so the guy, I go beside the door between the two units, and I can see that he's trying to bring the slide out in, and he got this one on my side a little bit out. He doesn't know I'm there. He's inside trying to push the button.
So it's struggling.
So there's definitely something going on in there. So I can't see. He's right there in the entryway, and I scared that but Jesus out of him when he finally saw me. So I said, no, we're good. Just let him out. And so finally, as you can see now, it's set up where it's supposed to be. It's laying there in the parking lot in the middle of nowhere, meaning we're really welcome at that place. They put us right in the middle of the blacktop with nothing.
They're supposed to hook us up. Well, the night before. 12 hours prior, they said we'd be hooked up. They're supposed to hook you up to everything.
That appointment was made 2 weeks prior. Then it was postponed because of the storm Ian, so it was another week. So it's not like we're strangers. But when you pull up there, every contact you have, every one of them, you're who? From where? What unit? Where's your customer from? Canada? We don't have those customers. That don't exist. It's like we come out of a Cracker Jack box. Those are salespeople.
Surprise!
They don't have a clue what we're there for. They don't even know they sold the unit. But they care about you. They really care about you when they sell you something. So here's the setup again. It's laying there. It's getting ready. And Lowell's telling me, okay, are you going to plug the thing in? We've already been here for a couple of hours. Nothing's done.
I'm ready to get going. I'm ready to get my work done. And
So hold on. So she's got my hose because I'm not even hooked up yet. There's no electricity. There's no water. I got my cable out and I know where the electricity is in the back, and I figured, all right, there's no battery, so she can't even open the slide. I already know that because he jumped it. He used jump cable when we were in the yard, so I knew that we needed batteries. So I asked, 2 batteries, propane. I can see the pedestal of electricity in the water. I says, okay, that's where I don't ask anymore. I tend to my own stuff. I finally extend the power cord, and the 2 batteries, the 2 kids come with the batteries. Meanwhile, Laurel is all glory inside of that unit.
Meanwhile, Pierre's walking around the side of the unit. I'm standing there doing nothing. I think, you know what? I'm going to open the door and get the stairs down to at least just kind of like peek in. Guys, I'm going to show you. Are you watching? I open that door. I peek in. I don't even get the stairs down. Look, can you see what I'm looking at? That's the refrigerator door.
The door.
It's jammed. No wonder the guy couldn't get the slides in and he was having a hard time struggling. The door of the fridge is actually blocking the slide from coming in. But he bolted jammed and he got it in.
Let's make it fit like a Lego outfit.
So it's in. So you see that? Okay, I'm telling you, I'm blown away. So I get the stairs down.
But I got to do this. This is brand new. This is a brand new unit.
2023.
No, it's not new. Okay,
Yeah,
so it's for next year model. So when it comes out next year, that's your unit we're investing in.
So
next year.
This 2023, fridge off, blocking the slide from coming in. I'm filming it, as you have just seen. I open the stairs and I look. If you see the bottom of the slide, the wood, you can see that it's all delaminating. It's peeling away. You feel it? It's moist. That's wet. Something's going on in there, and I can't wait for Pierre to get these slides open so we can get in there and actually physically test this, get out our moisture meter, because something's going on in that slide.
We didn't need a moisture meter.
It was obvious, but we needed to prove that it was there.
Yeah.
So we finally, you got the slides out.
Yeah.
We got the slides out. You get in. Now right there on the side is the booth, the dinette booth. So you lift the cushion of the dinette booth. Guys, I'm showing you right now. Look at the bottom of the cushion. I'm not supposed to say, is that mold? Look at the bottom of that. Look at the plywood that cushion sits on. You see how black that is? So then when you open up the door in front where you have storage, that little black plastic storage container, you can see the residue. But let's just take out that container and let's look at the inside of that booth. On our hands and knees, flashlight, this is what we're looking at. It's wet. That's water intrusion.
Let's rewind here. So our customer were sent a video. So it's not about Ian rain, okay? This is a brand new unit that's parked in the yard. And the customer in Toronto, in Ottawa, in Canada, received a video and pictures and video from this unit to the customer, and is saying, because Dave and Danielle are going, what is this? What is this? They are told that this is dirty. It's just dirty. So explain to me, if you know a little bit about manufacturing, if they went in the shop, they built a little dinette, and they found a way to dirty the inside of the little cabinet all the way around the inside. How dumb do you think people are? It's phenomenal, and they dare say that. So that's my point.
That it was dirty.
People will tell you what they want you to hear, and they'll go fast on those videos, just so you know. So.
You know, it's kind of like when you go to Jamaica and you saw this beautiful picture of this amazing beach inside of your resort, and then you get to the resort, and it's not your beachfront.
It was a neighbor's beach,
yeah,
not yours.
it's not even the resort you're staying at. Yeah, that's a surprise. Well, that's what they did to our customers. Same exact thing. We immediately said, you know what? We're calling them. We Skyped with them. We left everything as is, and we Skyped with them. They got to see this unit up front and close, exactly the way we saw it. And immediately they said, no, you know what, guys, we're done. Go home. Thank you so much for saving us this money pit on this brand new 2023. And do you know what? Pierre said that this was Ian. It wasn't. This was Nicole. And the reason why these customers hired us is because they already lost their camper to Ian. So you think they want another camper with water intrusion, with mold? It's really sad, and we felt really bad for them, but so happy that we were able to help them and that we actually went there and saw what the dirt was.
And what was nice is they're smart people. They actually saw the value of what we brought to them, and they said, like Laurel stated,
walk
get
away.
out of there. Thank you to have come down here. He could have flown. Dave can fly for absolutely nothing, military background. Thank you, brother, by the way. He could have flown down here, come and check it himself. Do you imagine the cost of this? The time you're losing? Oh yeah, you're retired, and who cares? It's time and money, and your eyes. Not that I'm putting you guys down, but your eyes and your knowledge looking at this one was obvious. So that would have been an easy one. But the cost of him coming down was the same problem. It's always about money, as you know. We take it at heart, and there's a money tag attached to it. Yes, but you as the customer, it's always, do I spend that money or invest that money? So let me ask you this. Here's the question for this unit. Did they spend money or did they invest money?
Tell us in the comments below.
So hopefully that helps you out again. Hopefully we summed it up on this one, which was kind of obvious. Always think about it. Remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.